Okay, Sam.
So that's we're playing Guess Who board game.
Patingin, tingin ng box. Ah, okay. Guess Who, no? Yun yung pangalan niya, no?
Yeah.
Oh, ano yung mechanics, kuya?
You have to guess each other's cards. For example,
For example,
is your character wearing a hat? If he says no, then I have to remove the characters that is not wearing a hat.
okay. So, kung sino ang unang maka-guess, siya ang panalo.
Yeah.
Okay, o sige, game. Sample. Sam.
Ate.
And no cheating.
Hi. I'm making just a machine.
Espresso.
O, game na? O, game. O, who's first?
Yeah.
Is your character a male?
Yes.
Okay.
Is your character a male?
Yes.
Oh, it is. I'm with you. Okay.
Is your character showing teeth?
Wait, let me check. No.
Your character is not showing teeth.
Hey!
Your character is not
Is
showing
your character wearing glasses?
Wait, your character is not showing
Is
teeth.
your character wearing glasses? Is your character wearing glasses?
No.
It's okay. Okay.
Is your character wait, is your character black?
Racist, but no. Bro, why would you ask that to us?
You ask that.
Yeah, not only.
Okay. Your
And
turn.
is your character wearing a hat?
Yeah.
Is your character John?
No.
Kevin.
Yes, but you can only guess one time. So
Okay, then you
technically
win.
I won.
So, sino ang panalo?
Yeah.
Me.
Kevin.
Kasi isang beses lang pwedeng mag-guess, ano?
Yeah.
Unless this